Hello! This can quite possibly be a game changer. Alright, ladies and gentlemen and ladies, I am so stoked for this product today. We have on deck the new next generation Xbox wireless headset. Now, of course, this is designed for the next generation of consoles, the Xbox Series X and the Xbox Series S, but I'm sure it'll work on older generation consoles, and quite possibly it'll work on PC as well. But the thing that I find to be most interesting about this headset is the fact that it's only $100. Compare that to a lot of third-party headsets that can run you up to $300, which is the same price as the Xbox Series S itself. So at a third of that price point, I wonder if these can actually compete with the big boys. But that answer will have to wait until I put a lot of work into this headset, because today's video is going to be an unboxing and first impressions of the brand new Xbox headset. First things first, let's check out the box. Alright, so front of the box, we got a picture of the headset, and I'm wondering, I see the Xbox screen right there, and I'm wondering if that's an LED. That would be pretty cool, but then again, these are wireless, so maybe they want to conserve on battery. Maybe it's just painted Xbox screen. I don't know, we'll have to find out. The right side of the box, it says for Xbox Series X and S, Xbox One, and Windows 10. So I was correct. It includes, of course, the wireless headset and a USB-C charging cable. Pretty minimal stuff here. And the other side of the box, to not make it just plain, they got a side view of the headset. And then on the back, of course, it goes into a lot more detail. We got a full view of the headset. It says Xbox Wireless, paired directly to your console for high fidelity sound. On-the-go audio, you can connect this to your mobile device via Bluetooth for wireless chat and music. This headset is claiming to have crystal clear chat, eliminate background noise with voice isolation and auto mute. And of course, the headband is customizable. It says flexible, lightweight, and glasses friendly. But now the moment of truth. Let's get into them. All right, so you pop the top, and here she be. So as usual, we got our product and regulatory guide, along with our quick start guide. Here's gonna be your 1-foot USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And here's gonna be the star of the show, the Xbox headset. So they definitely got some stretch to them for the people that, got some bigger sized heads. So I'm guessing that the right side is gonna be for your volume as it twists up and down. The other side, it does the same. So it's probably gonna be for your mixer. So it might be kind of hard to see, but yeah, there is a logo right here that has a picture of a person and a picture of a game. So that's gonna be your mixer right there. And then on this side, we got a plus and we got a negative for the volume, of course. This button right here is gonna be your power button and your pairing button. Underneath, we have the microphone, and let's see if it can be detached. Unfortunately not. As far as I can tell, it is mounted to the headset. Looks like we have our mute button right here for the mic. And then the mic itself is pretty flexible. So if you want to get it out of your way, you can fold it up like that, and it's just out of your way. Inside the ear cuffs, we got the R for right, we got the L for left. The padding seems to be nice enough, but what I do like is where your ear rests, it seems to have a pretty big opening. Now, as far as build goes, well, this looks to be about 90 to 95% plastic. So with longevity, well, we'll have to see if this actually holds up. So now let's go ahead and pair it and try it on for the first time. You guys want to hear something cool? Well, listen to this. It makes the same sounds of your Xbox turning on or turning off. I think that's a pretty nice touch, but back to pairing it. All right, so I gotta say, first impressions, I'm actually kind of impressed. Connecting these to my Xbox Series S was, as I would have thought it would be, it was a breeze. Of course, when you first connect these, there's an update that you have to do. Took about 5 minutes to install, but after that, you're good to go. Now, these are connected the same way that a controller is. So just like with the controller, if your Xbox is off and you turn on your controller using the Xbox button, then it'll automatically turn on the system. Same with the headset, which is a very nice touch. They work together flawlessly. So since it's mainly made out of plastic, it's very light and there's not a lot of pressure against the head or against the ears. My ears felt snug inside of the ear chamber, but of course I just had these on for about 5 minutes. Long-term duration, we'll have to see. Now the mic itself has a neat feature to where it would automatically mute when you're not talking. And of course you can adjust the sensitivity on your Xbox. The overall sound and loudness of the headset for about the 5 minutes that I had it on playing Forza, it actually surprised me. Now I do think there was a miss in the design to where this green accent right here, it's not glow in the dark and it's not an LED. So it's just painted Xbox screen. But other than that, we're gonna have to put it through its paces and see if this is actually a good headset for your Xbox. So if you have any questions or any comments or anything you want me to go over in my complete review, leave a comment down below or click the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you're in the loop for all things handsome gadgets. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up before you leave, as it definitely helps out the channel quite a bit. Thank you and have a good one.